Hello, my friends. Welcome to the My Day 28 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I'm here with a plan that includes practical, nourishing, delicious recipes that empower you to reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. Ready? Let's get started. Breakfast is an important meal to nourish our bodies after a night of fasting. This morning, we are mixing together in a bowl 1 to 2 cups of plain oatmeal, 1 small diced apple, 1 cup of fat-free milk. Now, if you have a nut allergy, use oat milk instead. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You could use more or less depending upon your preference. The reason we're adding the apple is because it has fiber and natural sugars that provide energy and pairs really well with the cinnamon and the oatmeal. Oatmeal provides complex carbohydrates, which are a great source of energy as well as fiber for your digestive system. This breakfast has protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. It is filling and satisfying, keeping you energized throughout the morning. For lunch, we're having low-sodium turkey. And remember, the general rule of thumb when looking at labels is to choose foods that have 140 milligrams or less per serving. 4 ounces of low-sodium turkey breast, 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes and carrots, and 1 bar 3 of an avocado. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. In addition, it is full of fiber, iron, magnesium, and other antioxidants. Turkey provides lean protein, and the vegetables add vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This meal is not only nutritious, it is also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full, preventing overeating later in the day. Now for a snack, we're enjoying 3 cups of air-popped popcorn. Air popping your own popcorn is a great alternative to oil-popped or microwave popcorn. Simply put the kernels into a brown paper bag, fold it over several times to ensure the kernels don't pop out, and then place it in the microwave and cook on high for 3 minutes. Be careful when opening the bag as the steam will be hot. As you can see, the popcorn has popped into these perfect little clouds. Add a sprinkle of salt, and you have a delicious, satisfying snack that will keep you full until dinner time. Popcorn actually has more fiber than any other grain, so it's a good source of fiber in your diet. It's also a whole grain, which means it contains all 3 parts of the grain kernel: the bran, the endosperm, and the germ. Now for dinner, we're having roast pork tenderloin. And remember to always practice safe food handling and cooking to avoid foodborne illness. 4 ounces of roast pork tenderloin, medium-baked sweet potato, and 1 cup of salad or cooked non-starchy vegetables. Examples of non-starchy vegetables include string beans, broccoli, cabbage, spinach, and many others. And there you have it, another wonderful day of nourishing your body with wholesome foods. Remember, making sustainable changes to your eating habits is a journey, not a quick fix. Focus on progress, not perfection. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Your support means everything to us. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, happy, healthy living.